Good morning. Today we are going to discuss a topic of interest that is revolutionizing the world of multi-disc after the era of the cut to size, where the famous single and multi-disc block cutters were used to obtain small slabs in standard sizes for the building industry. The desire to obtain these products from large slabs, derived from frame cutting, became more and more widespread, with a consequent increase in flexibility and production. In those years, Breton was a major player in the cutting machine revolution, conceiving a new kind of cutting machine, the TAP model. Unique in its kind, called the intelligent cutting machine, it allowed, in addition to the classic carriage cut of equal formats, to optimize the slab with different shapes, also managing defects and recovering time and material. This led to devising, patenting, designing, and finally producing a machine that would revolutionize the world of intelligent multi-cutters, rendering all other solutions obsolete in an instant. Taking into account customer needs and the limitations encountered by the competition in recent years, Breton tried to find a mechanical configuration capable of covering the cutting area of an entire slab, even after being moved to the worktable for optimized cutting in a single pass. But how? By making the beam rotating, for example, having a maximum usable area between the outer spindles of 4 meters and 50 millimeters. This is where Evonix comes from, the first and only machine in the world with a rotating beam. This solution, which had remained unexplored until now, paved the way for innovative geometries, thus creating naturally faster and more precise cuts.